Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So coming to you with my January My Monthly Hero kit from Hero Arts, and wanted to share with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button and ding the bell next door if you want to get any notifications of future videos. And yeah, so let's get started. I didn't order any of the add-ons this month. I've kind of like not really been paying a lot of attention to my subscriptions that have been coming in, just because I've been, doing a lot of packing and getting ready for the big reno next month. And anyway, so let's go take a peek. I think this, if I remember, this month is like fairy, no, it's not fairy themed, it is like storefront themed. So they always come wrapped up in cute paper. Thank you for your order. When you have a subscription kit with them, if you make any purchases before your kit ships, it will ship for free with your kit. So just wanted to share that with you. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below. I think it is still available right now. The link is not an affiliate link. I don't make anything off of the link. I just, as y'all know, those have been around a while, I like to share products that I enjoy and I think are a good value. And this is one of them. So this month's kit is, what is it called? What's the theme? I can't find the theme. It says, it doesn't say what the theme is. Well, darn it. Well, anyway, okay, so it always comes with a 6x8 stamp set and almost always with a matching die set. So let's go take a peek at this month's set. Let's see, here we go. Sorry for all the noise of the wrapping. One thing about this that's neat about this card that they come on, you can almost always kind of like cut it down and use it for like embellishments in a project that you're working on. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, I'll leave that there. So, darn it, not very good today. It's been a busy weekend. So yeah, we have so it's kind of like a flower shop storefront. And let's see, we have lovely day, wishing you a wonderful, your, be mine, happy, beautiful, I love you, and Valentine's. And then we have the little bicycle, the flowers that can be hanging up, looks like tulips, lavender, roses, some balloons, flower, a watering can, some music notes coming from the singing bird. So yeah, so that is the stamp set. And then, oh, this is all together. So let's get this popped off. So you can cut the storefront out. You can cut out the window and like pop it out. Then you have the dies for everything in here, for the birdie, the watering can, the different flowers, the crate, the milk can, everything here. Everything, including even the bicycle, has a die. And then this here, not quite sure. I think this can be used for like, I don't know, maybe making a cabinet. I'm gonna have to look at some of the inspiration videos that are out there. This would be fun to use on the front of some cards. But yeah, so just these two alone is worth more than the kit. So I do the monthly kit, and I think I pay $34.99, and that includes shipping. And so that right there alone is worth everything in the kit that I paid for it. Then this comes with 10 sheets of red and pink cardstock. Some vellum envelope, 10 vellum envelopes, 20 stickers, and a glimmer pink lacquer pen. So looks like we get 10 of each. You are loved, and then some flower bouquets. So there's that. We have our 10 envelopes, vellum envelopes. I love vellum envelopes. And then we have our cardstock. And this feels like it's like 110. I think this is 110 pound cardstock. I don't think this is 80 pound cardstock. I think. So that is the set. Let's see. I really don't want to waste this. Do I have a blank piece of paper? This will work. Let's see. Let's see if I can do like a straight. It's going to take some practice. It doesn't want to quite give me a straight. Here we go. Anyway, so that is this month's hero, my monthly hero kit. I have yet to get a kit that I did not love. I have seen some past kits that I wasn't a fan of, and some kits that I am so sad that I missed out on. Hopefully someday I can come across them in a D-stash. I'm praying is the case. But this is definitely going to be a lot of fun to play with. I'm not really allowing myself to do a lot of crafting right now because of the reno going on in the craft room. But we're almost there. Almost there. I can taste it. And yeah, let's put that back. This is going to go get safely put away so that it doesn't get damaged and I can play with it later. And yeah, I just did a video tonight for the 10,000 Reasons blog hop celebrating I Am Mama to Four's YouTube channel. She's celebrating her 10,000 subscribers, and you really need to go check her out. It's going to be a great hop. There's over 30 YouTube channels participating. She's got major sponsors that have donated prizes, and so it's just a really great deal. It's going to go live on January 26th at 9 a.m. so please be on the lookout for that. I will be giving an additional prize out on my channel in addition to the prize that she will be giving out on my channel. So just keep an eye out for it to go live. If you want to get more details, go check out our channel. She's got more details over on her YouTube channel. I will include a link in the description below if you want to go check her out. And yeah, we are at 955 subscribers as of this video right now. So hopefully we're going to be hitting 1,000 in the next day or so. Wouldn't be here if it wasn't for if it wasn't for you guys. And you'll tell I'm tired. It's time for me to get ready for bed. Y'all know I love you guys to pieces. It has only been, what, May? So, what is that, 5, 7? It's only been 8 months since I've been doing these videos for you guys. And you guys have definitely made it worth my while. I've met some absolutely wonderful friends, great, crafty, creative ladies, and it's just been a wonderful adventure for me so far. And again, I couldn't do it without you. I hope you guys had a blessed weekend. I hope you have a wonderful work week to come. And if you have any health issues or things going on, and you need a little inspiration, let me know. I'm happy to add you into my prayers. And again, love you guys to pieces. And as always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.